All right, so a lot of you have actually fallen into all these online banking scam, and you get to lose your money at the end of the day by going to a bank, trying to deposit just to be able to withdraw certain amount inside the bank that you met there, that is given to you, or access is given to you by someone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to spot online banking or a bank that is not real and it's not legit, right? So I'm going to show you how these scammers create fake online banking to scam people. So I'm going to show you how scammers create fake online banking websites to scam people. Now, this video is for educational purpose. I'm not encouraging you to do anything scam. So if you are caught as a scammer, you will be arrested. So this video is strictly for educational purposes, I said. All right, so let's get started now. They give you access to a link like this, and then you click on the link and you're welcome with a page like this, right? So they give you two options to either log in, or they send you details to log in. So for this, I already have a details, so I'm just going to log in. Right, so I'm going to click on sign in. It's going to ask me for password. No, I think I forgot my password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. All right, so not now. So then it's going to ask for PIN. That is why a normal person cannot just get access to this kind of bank, because of the too many security of the bank. So you're going to think, oh, these are real, these are legit, these are legal, and then you're going to put your money in and deposit money, and that is all. All right, so this is how the bank look, right? So as you can see, this is how the bank look. As you can see, are you seeing, guys? See, it looks very fine, just like a regular bank. Click on it, you can see different option, account chart. So you can see account chart. You could go to account details, and to show you all details of your account. So you could go to top up deposit. That's if you want to deposit. Right now there's no payment gateway from the admin, so I didn't add any payment gateway. So you can see account summary. This is how much they have spent deposit. All this can be added from the admin. You can load in money here, and then the user will think, oh, this account has been in existence since 2020, since 2018, just like that. So they'll tell you it's a savings account, so the money doesn't really go in and out very often, right? So but you just have to be careful, right? You just have to be careful. So as you can see, this is how the system works. So now you also have like this one is the transaction history. So then you have to be careful. So there's also loan application, where they'll tell you to deposit some money to apply for loan, and you try to apply and you keep on spending money. So the next, the contact support, this ATM card, right? So they also have a platinum card that you can request for, and then it give you through. So you can see this ATM card, no matter how you use it for, it's not going to work, right? So here's your transaction PIN, and I think this is all for this bank, right? So a lot of times you hear people saying online banking have a scam with online banking. So this is what they are referring to, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you how this is created and how scammer create this in the video. So let's get started. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you have not liked this video, please hit like on this video. Share this video to someone that needs this video. So I'm going to show you guys how this is all done. Okay, so thank you. Let's get started. All right, so once they get to their cPanel like this, I'm going to be using. So once they get to their cPanel like this, I'm going to be using this tutorials.com.ng that I use for tutorial videos to explain how it works for you guys, or how they do it. And note, this is for educational purpose only. So once they get to their file manager, that's after purchasing a domain name and cPanel, having a cPanel. If you don't know how to purchase a domain name, if you don't know how to purchase a cPanel, you have no idea about these things, you can check the description of this video. There is tutorial on how to purchase a domain name and how to purchase a hosting. Understand? All right, so once they get here, they look at the cPanel, they go to the file manager, just come here, search for file manager, they open. A lot of them actually use the public_html because that will be the only website they are having. Now this is where they upload their file, but in my case, I'm going to upload it here because I'm using this domain. Now I'm going to click on upload. Now this is where the main issue comes in. they already have their file that they want to use to build this online banking website. So they already developed the online banking website offline, or they purchase the files. So a lot of them purchase it. You can get online banking website from a lot of websites, seller, a lot of them. So you can get it such as that. Anyway, once they purchase it, I already have one here I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So they come to the where the file is. Now I have the file here. So they open it and then upload it on their file manager. Now this is the banking script be upload. Now this script is what they use to create their own online banking website, so that it look like the replica of the real banking website. Now before this goes up, another thing the next process they follow is to go back to their cPanel and search for database. So database wizard. Now open this in the new tab. Right? Now hope you're following the process now. I don't have to make mention of everything. You're just following exactly how it's done. So pay attention closely. So now they come here and call the database whatever they want to call this. So I'm going to call this V5. Next. V5. So I'm going to call this V5 as well. So copy this. I'm going to use this as the password to this. Right, so I'm going to click on create user. So once I click on create user, I'm going to do all privilege. I'm going to do make changes. Right, so I'm going to click on make changes. Okay, so this is the part they link both the front end and the back end together. Right, so now if they come to where they upload the file, once it shows green like this, you know that okay, the file has been uploaded. They click on go back home. Right, so now as I click on go back home, this is the file. So the next thing, they extract the file. Now I'm showing you this process so you know how to do this, and so you can spot one when you see it. Right, so they extract this, move this to the public underscore HTML, which is for this I'm going to be using this my own domain. So I'm going to click on extract. So click on close, and then you go back to your domain which you have here. So as you can see, this is it. Right, so the SQL, which is what we're going to put in the back end, is this. So you click on download, you download it and go back. Now this is where the install folder is. Right, so to install it for this particular file, you copy the domain name. Let me close this, go to the web browser and click on enter. Now as I click on enter, it's going to pop up and show an online installer file. Right, so let's wait for it. Okay, as you can see, now what you want to do, or what they do, is go back to database. Remember what we used? We created our database and our password. So as you can see, this is our username, this is our user, which is the database, this is the user, this is the database, and that's where the password. So the database name, I used the same thing for this tutorial, so watch carefully. It's the same thing I used. So click on next, connection successful. Username, so admin. I'm going to call this one. Password, let's do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. No, that 1 to 9 will kill it. So to make the site start showing all secure, because the website will look very, very, very basic. So I'm going to call this ABC 1 2 3. ABC 1 2 3. That's what I use. So install now. Right. So after install and installation complete, go to login. So this is the online banking, as you can see. So a lot of you have come across this online banking and you have dropped your money inside and expect to get the money out. All of you have actually been scammed by online banking as well. This is how this online banking look, and this tutorial has actually taught you on how to actually avoid it. Now they'll bring you to the website like this. They'll bring you to a website like this, and then they'll tell you to create an account, or they'll send you an account details to do. So all you do is you have to come here, create an account, and then you'll be like, oh, yes, I'm going through the banking sector, blah 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 blah. So a lot of times people fear all this, so let me use these details. All right, so email, let me use V3 design. Select city, let me use a go, fine. Date of birth, let me use 10/10/1997. Oh, 1997 is way too small. 1991, fine. Mail, account type, savings, branch, so different account branches. Password 123456789. Admin login pin 1234566. Account login pin. Transaction 1234. Register. Now this will actually work if you have actually set up your SMTP as well. So you see your account is under review. So once they review it, it will work, but you won't get an email because your account is under pending, right? So you get an email, sorry, because SMTP has not been set. Now, to set up SMTP, they go to the mail system. This is the mail. Edit the mail. And here you change it to your domain name, as you see. Change it to your domain name, just like you see, they put your password. So I'm not going to do this because I'm not building this site, but that is how that is done. So anyway, let's go to the admin part. So adm admin slash login dot php. I don't know if it's adm or adn for this particular file. Let's see, go back. Adm, okay, correct, adm. So now this is us going to the admin. Now remember, we use admin abc, admin abc, then 1 2 3 was what we use, right? Okay, so login. As you can see, we're not going to save this because it's going to give us an issue. So this is the online banking, as you can see. So a lot of you guys have actually been scammed by stuff like this. So this tutorial actually showed you how it looks like, and so you can avoid them. So when you click on manage customer, you see the account we created. So when you come to settings, as you can see, you see this bank has a lot of transfer code. They'll tell you pay for COT code, pay for IMF code, pay for activation code for your account to be activated, pay for task code. That's not just all, you do for PIN as well. So these are like 5 code, 1 2 3 4 5 coding system that you are to do before you even get access to the online banking, before you can be able to transfer money, which is not going to work, right? Okay, so you can also select the currency of your bank, as you can see. Okay, select the currency. You could call your banking name, as you can say this to be TTX Bank. You can fill your official email, secondary email, phone number, company address, integration and payment. So they collect money through bank transfer, crypto, or PayPal. So a lot of times they refer to these as, say, you hear people saying AZA. So this is where they do those AZA stuff. So they turn it on, and then crypto, they put their crypto wallet address, and they use PayPal. Then if they want to have live chat, to select which of the live chat, paste the code here, and that's all. So brand identity, they put their logo here, put their favicon here, so it looks like a legal bank, and you don't have to suspect anything. So this is how it looks, right? Right. So let me go approve that customer, and then I'll log into their user's account. So manage customer more. So account status is on overview. So this is approved. Okay, approved. Now let me log out from this account and go to the user account and show you how it looks like. All right, login. I don't know if I still remember the password we used. I think, is it 126 Abi? 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I hope this was what we used because I can't remember right now. We have to end this video and play what I just recorded because it's not easy to talk for hours explaining something. So let me see if that's the password we used. I don't know. Okay, I think that's it. For this we used 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So verified PIN. OTP successfully verified. All right, so before the person can even gain access, that's why you see all this bank, you can't really gain access, because before you can gain access, you have to fill all these details, and if the admin doesn't allow you, then you can't even gain access to it. So this is how it looks on desktop. As you can see, this is how it looks. As you can see, account details, as you can see, deposit stroke top up. So to deposit, you deposit here. As you can see, select method. So we have not turned on any method from the admin, that is why it's like this. So they have a lot of options: loan application, fixed savings, they can message support, request for ATM card from here, and then they get ATM card. All right, so this is how it works, and this is ATM card. You can see Visa Platinum card. So this is how it works. This is how the online banking system works. So I hope this video has actually given you an open eye endedness to see how this scam system works and not to be a victim of it. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video if you want someone to be aware of this, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. So bye for now, guys.